Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. BUMS Airdrop listing date. Everything you need to know to maximize your rewards in Q1 2025. Exciting news, BUMS fans! The BUMS token launch and airdrop are just around the corner, with the listing date set for Q1 2025. This highly anticipated event is creating a buzz, especially with BUMS quickly becoming one of the most popular Telegram mini-games. With over 7.7 million active users, the upcoming token airdrop and listing are expected to set the community on fire. How can you get ready? To ensure you're in the running for the airdrop and to maximize your rewards, here's a quick rundown of everything you need to do. Connect your TON wallet. Head to the app's airdrops section and link your TON wallet. This is your first step to being eligible for the token distribution. Level up your BUM character. The more you level up your BUM, the higher your hourly profits will be. So, get in there and start leveling up to boost your chances of a larger reward. Expand your referral network. Invite friends to the game and grow your referral network. A bigger network means a higher chance to qualify for more tokens. Join the TON Wallet Quest. This special quest offers you a mega BUM character and a 3% hourly profit bonus. Complete it for extra rewards leading up to the airdrop. Daily combo codes. Don't forget to use your BUMS daily combo codes. These codes unlock extra tasks and bonuses to help you level up faster and improve your eligibility for the airdrop. How are token allocations decided? BUMS is giving away tokens based on three main factors. BUM level. The higher your BUMS level, the more you earn. Increased hourly profits from leveling up boost your eligibility for more tokens. Referrals. The more friends you bring into the game, the higher your chance of receiving a larger token allocation. In-game activity. Active participation is key. Whether it's completing tasks or engaging with the game, being active within the BUMS ecosystem boosts your rewards. To add even more excitement, the TON Wallet Quest is offering exclusive rewards like a mega BUM character and a 3% bonus on hourly profits, ensuring players who stay active get an extra push. BUMS Competitive Rewards Program. BUMS is also running a competitive rewards program with a total of 1,000 TON in prizes. Here's the breakdown of what you can win. First place, 200 TON. Second place to 20th place. Prizes ranging from 100 TON down to 5 TON. This is a fantastic opportunity for active players to earn big while participating in the game. What is BUMS? In case you're new to the game, BUMS is a super engaging Telegram minigame powered by the Open Network (TON) blockchain. It combines simple tasks, in-game achievements, and referrals to help players earn real rewards. The tokenomics are designed to reward the most active and committed players, making it a game you'll want to stay engaged with. As the BUMS airdrop listing date draws near, make sure you're ready. Keep your TON wallet connected, level up your BUM, and take full advantage of the available rewards programs. Stay tuned to official BUMS channels for updates on the exact date of the listing and the upcoming price announcement.